In continuation to the previous lecture, we can also use shorthand if else problem. For example, if you have only one statement to execute, one for if and one for else, we can all put it in the same line. We can put all of these things in the same line. This is called as a shorthand if else. For example, we say that the example is like that A is a variable, it's stored 2, and B is a variable, it's stored 330. If we say that both of these, if there is only one statement for if, one statement for else, then we can use it in that. Then we say print A for what? Print A if A greater than B, else print B. So in this case, what will be printed? B will be printed because it is a shorthand operator. So what is the mechanism for it? We have two variables, A is 2 and B is 330. Then I said that print this, whatever it is, or execute this if this is true, else print this. If both have that, we can use shorthand if else operator. And this technique is also known as a ternary operator or conditional operator. The conditional operator were, for example, a syntax is a little bit different than what we use in Java or C++ or something like that, but this is a ternary operator. Why it's a ternary operator? It's a ternary operator because it takes three operands. First is the condition. This is the condition. If the condition is true, this is the first operand. If the condition false, this will be printed. So that's why it is called ternary operator, because it takes three operands. The end keyword. End is a logical operator. It is used to combine conditional statement. We have conditional statement with end operator, which is logical operator. We can combine it. And we know, for example, the truth table for this end, that it is only true when both the operands are true, all the operands are true, otherwise all the truth table will be false. For example, test if A is greater than B and if C is greater than D. Here, for example, A value is 200, but equality assignment operator. B is equal to 33, C is equal to 500. Then we have a operator A is greater than B. If A is greater than B, then we have end operator. C is greater than A. If A is greater than B but C is greater than A, then we say, for example, what? Print both conditions are true. Then I want to run it. A is greater than B, yes, but C is greater than A. Both condition is true. So end operator is used to combine conditional statement. There is. Then OR operator is used to combine conditional statement, but OR operator is only false if both are false. Otherwise, it all will be true. Test if A is greater than B or A is greater than C. Or A is greater than C. Here we can do, for example, A value is 330, the B value is, for example, 2, the C value is, for example, 500. If we say A is greater than B or A is greater than C, but A is greater than C is false, but still it will print this thing because it is OR, not AND. So we say both this is testing for logical OR operator. So we say this is testing for because this is true, but if both of these are false, for example, it is 2000, then nothing will be printed right here. Then we have the NOT operator. The NOT is a logical operator used to reverse the result of conditional statement. It reverses the conditional statement. If it is true, it will become false. If it is false, then it will become true. For example, we have A is equal to 33 and B is equal to 200. Then we have, for example, 200 value. If not A greater than B, or if A greater than B not, what is the meaning of if A is not greater than B? If A is greater than B, then this condition is false, but in this that will be true because it's not. A is greater than B. This is false because B is 200, A is 300, but that will become a true. So